here is what to do if we need to read the whole file into the one field. For example, to be able to send it through the REST API. So file to dash, not to waste our time. Select and not extract the metadata, but select new metadata, user define, file. There should be just one field. And what we are going to do is actually delete both delimiters. So echo delimiter, default delimiter, and enter the file as true. Finish. And voila, the whole file is read into the one field. Let's untruncate the log. Try to open it, and here we go.